Yeah, I confess, Father, I confess, 'cause I've been living wrong. I know.
What is up, guys? Another video on the EG, the Coupe. I don't know if you guys can really see it because I'm using my phone today. I left the camera at my girlfriend's house. But I went to Rhode Island a couple days ago. I can't even speak, I just woke up. But I went to Rhode Island a couple days ago, picked up a tranny from one of our boys, went with Elias and Mikey, and I picked this baby up. So I picked up B16 tranny for the Coupe, and supposedly it's LSD. We don't know yet because he said he thinks they put the little block inside the diff, which I heard aren't really good, but what are you gonna do? But anyways, we're gonna get this thing on, take the LS tranny off, because I sold it to Xavier and his brother Joshua. They're gonna have that. I'm throwing this shit on, and hopefully we see improvements, man. Seen the videos on this car, don't know what motor it is. I just got a JDM B20B. Nothing really done to it, just headers and cam gears, pretty much it. There's other things, but won't say right now. Issue, leaking oil, and it's my valve cover gasket, because every time I squeeze, more oil comes out. But that's irrelevant right now. What I want to do is take off that tranny. So let's get started. Then I'm going to take off the hood. So I also have to give those hood spacers to Joshua. But yeah, let's do that. I'm about to loosen the lug nuts on the wheels and jack the car up, put it on jack stands, take out everything that needs to be taken out, the axles, all that bullshit, and then go from there. So I got the first axle. I was being a pain in the ass. I don't know why, but for some reason this shit did not want to drop how it is dropping now. But I got it out. Time to take out the other axle on the other side. Your boy pulled up. My boy Sour, pulled up. But anyways, we're about to drop the tranny right now. All the bolts are off. Thanks to this chocha and this chocha and my chocha. We're about to drop it now and then see where it goes from there. So we got the tranny out. The LS is in over there. The B16 is there. We're gonna throw that shit in.
The chanclas are right here.
And it's gonna be fucking dope. I can't wait to drive this shit. What is up, guys? It's a couple days after. I think it's been like 2-3 days. And tranny's running pretty good. Other than the only issue that I've had so far is the slave. There's only one bolt holding it. Well, it's two. One the strip, and the other one the actual casing is cracked where the bolt actually goes in. But I'm gonna see if I can fix it somehow, because I don't want to get rid of the transmission, dude. It runs so good. But I'll do a pull for you guys in a couple. Guys, this is fucking impossible to do with one fucking hand. So on that note, I think that's gonna be it for now. When I get, because I had a little thing that was sitting there and then it just snapped, like just now. But I think that's it for today's video. So just leave a like, share, and a comment, and whatever else you feel like doing to this video. But thanks for watching, guys.